Welcome back to the channel, and as you know, we're doing a series of videos on different loan products for home mortgages. And today we're going to be talking about one of the least known home products, and it's the USDA loan.
If you haven't already watched our loan overview video, you might want to go check that out. It will give you a rundown of the main types of home loan products out there. And then if you think the USDA loan might be the right one for you, you can come back and watch the detailed dive into it in this video.
Yes. And there are two main USDA loan programs. The first is a loan guarantee program. It was created for low and moderate income households in rural areas. This is a 0% down program, meaning you do not have to have a down payment. This is done because the USDA provides a 90% loan note guarantee to the lender. The term of the loan is 30 years with a fixed interest rate.
The second program is the USDA Rural Home Loans Direct program. Unlike the other program, this loan is originated by the government. It still allows for $0 down, but it is more limited than the guarantee program, which we will get into in a minute. This program is intended for families who truly have no other way to make affordable home ownership a reality. This is done by increasing the length of the payback period to 33 years, although this can actually go as high as 38 years rather than the standard 30 years.
The USDA does not require a minimum credit score for either program. Although it is likely a guaranteed program loan, your lender may require a minimum score. You'll want to shoot for a 640 or higher credit score, but be sure to talk to your lender about options you may have if your credit score isn't quite there yet.
The guarantee program also has a maximum debt-to-income ratio of 41%. Check out our video on loan products and down payment options to learn how to calculate debt-to-income if you haven't already watched that video. In addition, the monthly home loan payment with principal, interest, property taxes, and homeowners insurance all included cannot exceed 29% of your monthly gross income. To be eligible for the USDA Loan Guarantee Program, your household income cannot exceed 115% of the median household income in your area. For example, in Pima County, where Tucson is located, the maximum household income you can have to qualify for this loan at the time of videoing is $103,500. There is a link in the description where you can determine what the maximum household income to qualify is for your area. For the direct program, the maximum household income to qualify is $61,350 in Pima County.
Location is also important in determining eligibility for the USDA loan program. As you may have guessed by the name, the program is designed to increase home ownership in rural areas. This can include locations out in the country, but can also include small towns and even up to the edges of larger cities. There is a eligibility map at the USDA website. We'll provide a link down below so you can check out the areas that are eligible in your area.
Yeah. And the property types that you can buy with a USDA loan include single-family homes, condos, townhouses, and modular and manufactured homes. Again, this is a product that is intended to be for your primary residence only, not as an investment property. And so keep that in mind when you are looking into using this loan type. And then there is also a specific additional product that the USDA has that allows you to buy multifamily properties in these eligible rural areas. But for the sake of trying to not get too complex in this video, we're not going to go into that, but just be aware that it does exist, and if that's something that you are interested in, then go talk to your lender about if you can use the multifamily USDA product.
The biggest benefits of the two USDA programs is the low barrier to entry into the housing market. Between 0% down, low interest rates, lengthy loan terms for some, and liberal minimum loan requirements, these programs offer an opportunity for home ownership that otherwise would not be attainable. They also help reinvigorate rural areas and small towns.
The biggest disadvantage of this program, which for some of you might actually be an advantage, is the geographic limitation. Again, you can't use it if you want to buy a property right in the middle of a big town. And so if you are looking and you end up on the outskirts of a city, you might have a further commute into work or schools or that sort of thing than you would with some of the other loan products that allow you to purchase right in town.
Now that you've learned about the USDA loan products and how they might help you get into a home, we want to let you know that down below in the description, there's a link to a home buyer's guide, free for you to download. So follow that link and pick up that home buyer's guide and see if it can help you on your journey to home ownership.
You may have heard this once or twice before, but if you're in the Tucson area and looking to buy or sell a property, we would love to work with you. And even if you're not in the Tucson area, we have a network of agents that we can connect you with. And so we can help you find the agent that's right for you all across the world. If you enjoyed these videos, take a moment to like and subscribe so that you get notified when we release more. But until then, thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye-bye.